Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use monday.com for budget tracking. First, go ahead and log into your Monday account. Once inside, on the left panel, beside your workspace, click on this plus sign button. Now, select on board and choose on start with template. Now for here, search for budget. And here you can choose on high-level marketing budget or on budget plan. For here, I'm gonna select on budget plan. Then just go ahead and use that template. Now that you have it, for here you can change the project name if you like to. And you can also add in an item for it. And if you click on this arrow beside that item, you can add a sub-item for it. Now you can choose a person that is responsible for that item, and you can also choose a status and a start date. Now for the resource, you can add in the amount or the cost of the item. You can also add additional costs like travel. And for the actual spend, if you click on it, it is a function that adds resource and travel. Now if you want to add a column, you can add in another one. Just click on this plus button. And if you want to add another field beside this fields, just go ahead and click on these three dots. Then choose on add column to the right and click on text. Now you can add another cost of that item. For example, is cost. Then you can add in an amount. Now if you want it to be added to your automatic function, for example in the actual spend, just go and click on it, and when you're in the function field, you can edit it. Just type in a plus sign, add in a curly bracket, and then choose on the field that you added. For here, I will add on cost. Then go ahead and set your formula. And as you can see, your actual spend is changed based on that field that you added. Now I'm just gonna delete it and change also the function. Now going back for the budgeted, here you will add in the total amount or the total budget for that specific item. And for the difference, this is also a function that subtracts budgeted and your actual spend. Now for this on budget, this will automatically track if you go overboard on your budget or if you spend just enough. Now if you go on this bottom row, if you click on it, you can choose a unit or a currency, or you can just go ahead and type your own. You can also change the calculation of it. And that's just basically it. You can also do that to your other projects or add another one. And that's how you use monday.com for budget tracking. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.